welcome in. I got a new little video for you guys, little vlog style. I actually have one of my awesome students helping me out with this one, so Miles gets a little shout out. So I just want to show you guys a little behind the scenes of my summer school class that been cranking out super awesome videos. We've done like 15 videos in the last week. It's been awesome. We actually just watched all of them as you guys have been seeing them popping up on YouTube. But I want to show you guys some of the stuff that they're working out. So my kids are working on stuff, as you can see. They're doing some awesome stuff. But I also set up, if you come down here with me, I just set up a bunch of stuff that just some kids have been working on kind of day in and day out, a big variety of things. Sometimes I usually only have like 3 or 4 projects throughout the little 3 weeks that we have. But the nice thing is that we have an hour and a half class, so we can really focus.
2 hours and a half.
Not really.
Yeah, we have the 1 hour at the 8. Oh, it's 1 hour and a half. You said 2 hours and a half.
See, I was right.
You said 2 hours and a half during breakfast.
I'm constantly proving kids wrong every single day. So we get an hour and a half, so it's a lot more time than usual, so they can really focus in on stuff. Usually I only have like 3 or 4 projects that we do. The rest of the time they can just kind of use up their time, and they have. So the Starry Night was one of the projects that I did that I really liked. An emoji project and a logo design project, but all the other stuff is just kind of stuff that they've created. Their folders I kind of created and stuff, but they kind of took it to the next level.
We have a Thanos, we have a great Lego fort right here.
Lego fort, just some really cool stuff. I really like the details, and you can tell that they've spent like a lot of time on this stuff, and that's what I really like out of it.
Right here we have Evelyn, and she drew the art discovery class.
Yes, she did all the class, and she does these little characters every single day, and they're fantastic and awesome. She has all stories. She's gonna be a story creator, animator someday, I think.
We over here have Carly, who is working
these
on...
two amigos are always working on pretty much the same project, but they do it in a little different way. So
we have the Starry Night being worked on right here.
Yeah, so they're doing a little Starry Night.
And then we have Gregory.
Gregory's always doing the super detailed project, always working by himself over here. He is now doing, if you can sneak a peek at there, he is doing the Bucks new stadium, and it looks pretty perfect, I would say. It looks awesome. And then we have our camera operator.
Which I'm drawing a cartoon right now.
And he's doing our little setup. This is how I do my YouTube videos, so I got my little stand over there. It's actually supposed to be for an iPad, but I hook up a little
octopus.
Yes, a little octopus. So as you can see, guys, thank you guys for viewing this video. As always, I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's art class, and we will see you guys later.